Mama, at Waterloo, Napoleon did surrender. Oh yeah, and I met my destiny in quite a similar way. History book on the shelf, it's always written and it's sad. Oh, I was defeated in the war. Oh, that you love me forevermore. Oh, couldn't escape if you wanted to. Oh, my fate is to be with you. Oh, funny facing my world. Mama, I tried to hold you back, but you were strong enough. Oh yeah, and now it seems my only chance is giving up the fight. So can you ever repeat? You're the thing that I lose. Oh, I was defeated in the war. I wish you loved me forevermore. Oh, couldn't escape if you wanted to. Oh, knowing my face is to be with you. Oh, funny facing my world. How can I ever Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivysaur Fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson preview. This is a classic song from ABBA, of course, and Waterloo. My arrangement for a single acoustic guitar. Okay, great for parties and barbecues and what have you, get-togethers, sing-alongs. No capos, and I'm good in standard tuning, as you can see, and we're doing it in the key of D, which is the original recorded version. So play along with the ABBA recordings, no problem. Bit of a handful this one, but well worth the effort, I think. Quite a bit of fun. So hopefully you'll join me in a couple of days for the breakdown. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Bye for now.